guys,
Doon ka lang dyan. Doon.
we are going at the swimming pool again. We're in. I'm gonna video the swimming pool cause years ago, cause the other video I went swimming pool. I didn't video the swimming pool. I'm sorry. I'm gonna look at the CR. Bye bye. Ow, my feet. Bye bye. Is this real diamond? Tell me if this real diamond. Bye bye. I'm going to the restroom. But yeah. Oh my god.
Anak mo. Ano na lang? Ayan mo, bita mo. Hindi, mahal ako grabe sinutay. Oo, mabasa ko na. Sit down lang.
I'm back.
Happy now. Are you happy, girl?
Die. Die. They will die. I think you are mine. Oh boy, what flavor? Bye, bye, bye. Bye, I'm home. Why did you make me this way? Why? Oh my god. Yeah, you're not seeing that. But later, if I assemble that, it was a bit crash out. Ooh. No. Let's try it. Can you do this? The hanger. Oh. Ha. Oh no, it's breaking. It's breaking. No. I was offered nothing. Please don't tell me I'm asleep. I'm gonna come in your house and kill you. Okay, just kidding. So, can you hear your tire and snowy, please?
Sit down lang ka na.
Oh my god! Get out. Get out of here, lady.
Don't go down, okay?
Yeah, I'm going down. Yeah, no. I'm gonna test it on a dummy. Oh my. I let you saw it again. It's like this. It's a trapper. Homer traps is still a toe. I left it. And I'm going to swim boy. I'm gonna bahala mo my mom. Ma! I'm going to the aircon. I don't like it here. It's too hot. Yeah, I already saw that you saw the final result of my master blade. I'm not gonna tell you how I make it. Put it back. Go back. And this is my favorite. Sushi. I'm a sushi. Yeah, you're going in the bath. You're going in the front.
Ang mula-mula dito mo.
Kumapat ako?
Saan?
Ha?
Ba't naman? Ano yan? Ang pula-pula na yan.
Saan yan? Bigul. Hindi ako kumapat ako.
Ano natin? Ay, nasabi na tuhod mo rin, oh. Ano nga pula-pula na yan? Saan ang galing yan?
Di ba ako doon sa tricycle? Nag-aupo. Okay, I'm gonna put you into the closet. Wait. Ang ko lang. Mapupunta ako kay Mashrel. Pwede ko pala yung tablet?
Ha? Lumalamig dyan.
Alam ko na pupunta. That's not scary at all!
Tyler, you look so tiny in here. You only see the dome on your head.
Oh my god!
Pretty scary up here. It's so high up I can't look down, guys. I'm just laying here on the diving board now.
Tyler, you just gotta close your eyes and jump.
You're right, Zoe. I just gotta
Mama,
do it.
ako,
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna close my eyes and whoa, we're jumping down. Oh, I opened my eyes and I see the balls
Give me that.
flying everywhere. This is crazy.
Wait.
I'm earning so
I'm
much
gonna let
money.
them in my account. Just joking, I didn't care.
All the balls that went flying out of the ball bin.
Bitch,
With this oh my.
Tyler, I'm so proud of you.
To the top of the ladder. Let's do it again. So satisfying.
Ako na iPad.
I hit the part of the ball bin kind of hard and now
Guys, mommy's down. Here, maglagay ka ng ano. Mawag mo stop.
Hindi, ako na yung phone. Ako na yung iPad.
I'm going to stop it. I'm sorry, said no. Bye-bye.
Come on, Tyler,
You
try
can
to
die,
get
Pam.
there.
Yes, and we just got
Donut traffic, donut. Yoo! Bye-bye, soda. Stop! Mushroom. Go do the video, okay? You do the video. I'm just gonna watch outside.
Yes, and don't try to eat them. They used to be in the ball bin, but it got shut down because kids kept choking on them.
Mushroom, kaya ate. Ako na yung
I want to
ate.
get another pile of 1,000.
Ate, 1.2 na.
Go back to Tyler.